Hello everyone. Around the world, creative and clever pranksters come up with hilarious ideas that can instantly brighten someone's day. Sometimes they prank their friends and sometimes complete strangers. In today's video, we have gathered some unbelievable prank moments that are sure to surprise you. Let us get started. Take a look at this girl's reaction. What do you think is going through her mind? Let us know in the comments. Imagine carrying boxes through a crowded park and making it look like they are about to fall on someone. The reactions are priceless. You may have played a prank like this on a friend before, but this person decided to try it on their. The original idea was to use air pressure for a harmless prank, but things did not go exactly as planned, creating an unexpected funny moment. This person placed something on a bellman's head and it refused to come off. What happened next left everyone laughing.
This is. Oh my god! Yes!
You have to admire this prankster's creativity. The way he blurs the line between reality and illusion is impressive. This prank became so popular that some people doubting what was real and what was not. A reminder that not everything is a prank.
I'm back!
This biker was handing out lollipop to drivers in the traffic. Watch closely to see what happened with the last vehicle. This pranksters pulled off a clever joke on a shopkeeper and the reaction was absolutely unexpected.
Best friends. I was gonna ask you to marry me. I thought you died.
Hey,
That's us.
let me see.
Look, that's us.
Yo, what kind of freaky got going on?
Nah, that's not a. Wait, Jay, look, I thought you died. I went to your funeral. I was gonna ask you to marry me. Look, that's why I have you tattooed on me.
Hey, bro.
Hey, nah, chill. Look.
Hey, delete, bro.
What do you mean? Can we start over, Daddy?
Hey, bro. I'll report your to the police, bro.
Yo, chill. You're gonna call the police?
Yeah,
For what reason? Yo, chill, bro. Look.
Turning off the television at the exact moment a game is about to be decided is certainly a risky prank.
Happy birthday, Jan.
Quite an unusual welcome. The preparation was surprising and the reaction was just as memorable.
Son of a Who did this? Somebody better help start cleaning this.
Imagine sneaking into your friend's office, making noise but staying out of sight. Watch how quickly suspicion starts to grow. This prank involved a fake snake, and even though it was not real, the reaction was unforgettable.
Who did that?
On his birthday, this man thought his friends had gone too far. Then he realized it was all part of the celebration. He pretended to need help, and when his friends stepped in to assist, the unexpected reaction caught everyone off guard.
Here, I need you to snip it. Like. No.
One moment, everything looked normal, and the next, the vehicle appeared completely empty. The reactions say it all.
Oh, God damn it! What the? God damn it, bud! Stand there, I'll send you a picture. Oh my.
This person was perfectly enjoying a meal when something unexpected happened to the dish right in front of him.
Why did you do that? I don't know. You were done, right? No, he just started. He just took your.
Pulling off a prank inside a moving vehicle in a cold area is definitely a unique idea. The reaction to washing dishes was one thing, but the surprise gift inside the box completely changed everything.
Dígame, mucho chico. ¿Me hablaba? No. Ah, perdón.
This driver came up with a clever prank involving a calendar. Did you figure it out?
What would you do if I spread this ketchup bottle?
Here's another creative idea. It looks like someone is about to throw ketchup, but the reality is much different.
Oh, what the some ketchup?
Yeah.
This time, the players created an unexpected challenge for the referee. Some creators make things so realistic that it is hard to tell what are real. Is this a door or just a design? One final question for you. What was hidden in the chair that made the person jump up so quickly? Share your guess in the comments. If you enjoyed these funny and surprising prank moments, don't forget to like, subscribe and let us know which prank was your favorite.